Now I want to do the same with a video. So instead of audio here, I type video. Very simple. Okay, video. And this is video as well. This is video. And here we are, video. Okay, then I'm gonna see what I did. So basically source, I'm going to source media. Okay, I have this file here. I'm gonna put this here. Support video here, and here MP4. I forgot to put MP4 here. Okay, refresh, and here we are. It's very big. You can see here there is one of my video. It's very big. It's in full format. So what I need to do is I'm going to my video here with 520. Okay, refresh the page, and here we are, and the 8th is automatically calculated according to the width. Okay, here we are, we have our video. Okay,
so I said that I can use subtitles to exit.
Okay, also here I can say Autoplay. So when I
said that I could,
and even I can remove the controls.
So I said that I can use subtitles to execute actions.
So I can stop my
functions
video. Okay.
This is
so
useful because I can use
controls now.
It's easier to find. So I said,
okay, as you can see, you can do this. So then let's say that you want to have a splash image in front of your video. You can do the following. I'm going to images, copy this, hit this here, and then is a video splash underscore img. Then I'm going to my video object, and I say poster images slash the name of the file .png. Okay, I remove the autoplay. Check it's not PNG, it's JPEG. Refresh the page, and here we are, splash image. Okay, in front when we are going to play the video. Okay, that is very interesting. Okay, so you basically with a few instructions you can set up a video here. Okay, very easily with a source and with a format. Here you have to pay attention which format you have, and you have to specify here. Okay, this video, sorry, video MP4, and then you have to do this. If you have different videos which are the same video but different formats, you should specify them. Okay, like they specify in the examples. Go to see here the video here. For example, we have two videos. Okay, the same video but in two different formats, because maybe there are browsers that don't support the MP4. OGG is an open source, is very good to be used, and you're sure that will be played. And then here, if your browser does not support the video tag, like browsers that don't support HTML5, then this will be displayed at the end. Okay, so today if you have a website and you have videos, and then you know that your customers are using browsers which are HTML5 enabled, then you don't need anything to include videos into your web pages. It's very simple. Okay. I have created also a course more focused on video and HTML. If you want to go more deep inside how to do streaming videos for your website and include video courses or video messages, etc., then you should go more ahead than this, because you should maybe host your videos in a streaming video server so that the videos are not accessible from outside, very difficult to be downloaded, and also you're not using your server, your bandwidth, just to make the video play.